Hello everyone. Now here, what are we up to? You have to secure the tomato in this manner and get them beautifully sliced in this way. Now you have to make the patterns like this. Let's see what are we going to do. Now here again, what are we up to? Here you have to just do it in this form and then do it in this way. Further here you have to get the cucumber, slice it in this manner. Let's see what are we up to here. You have to just secure them in this way. Isn't it cool? Let's have a look what are we up to here. Again, you have to get the slices in the cucumber from the middle. You need to secure it in this way. Get them beautifully done in this manner. Get these patterns made and then you have to secure them in this way. Get the shades out and here with the help of these sticks you need to get the cuts in this way. Now here what are we up to? You have to get them beautifully sliced in this manner and get them done like this. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. Now you have to secure it in this manner to make it look like this. Isn't it amazing? I hope guys you have enjoyed.